I'm Valery Rozov. We are at Kamchatka now. It's almost 10,000 kilometers to the east from the Moscow. It's one of the furthest part of Russia. We came here for our new project. The main idea, flying above the slopes of local volcanoes. And if the weather is okay, we will try to jump inside. If it works, I will be the first guy who will jump inside the crater of live volcano. Kamchatka is a very unusual place. It's a very interesting area for any kind of extreme activity. You can snowboarding in the parwa, you can fly in a parachute, and to do some stupid stuff like we're supposed to do here, jump in the crater. We also will have chance to check capital of Kamchatka, city by name Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. It's quite amazing place for you. You will enjoy it.
We're in market, fish market.
We packed up. Too deep snow, Kamchatka. Okay, so we are training to looking for our friends in avalanche. We will hope it's never happened, but in case we should know how it works.
So if less than 5 meters here, you need to get closer to the ground.
At least we'll start to our walk. The weather is nice today. See you in the air.
Вы ставите на точку?
Ну, Павлик, вам сначала нужно будет Джеймса подобрать, а потом как бы тебя высадить.
First day of our expedition and we now on Kirpichi mountain and all guys must check everything, camera and equipment and everything, and now Valery will make first jump.
What?
only about -40 right now. Blowing like hell.
Okay, like you can see today it's very bad weather, it's snowing, so we decided to do something else. Go to Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky to look around and to see the local animals by name Sivuch.
Bak kafası geldi, buraya gel bak.
We are in the center of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky city. Here, Lenin monument. I hope you know this guy. And this is monument of Santa Petr. It's a guy who care about the city from the sky. Disneyland. Our plan for today and tomorrow is jump in crater, Volcano Mutnovsky. It's about 20 minutes flight from here. The crater of Volcano Mutnovsky is pretty big. It's about 200 kilometers in diameter. Now we are going to jump directly to the small active hole from the side of the big crater, so it will be a real challenge for us. Inside this small active crater, it's fumaroles, it's holes in the earth, and there is steams going from the earth. It's very hot, and you almost cannot breathe inside, and it can be dangerous actually. So I need to be very fast to go up after my landing. We are in standby now. The pressure growing up, so hopefully after afternoon we will be able to fly.
Yeah, so flight will be like the then.
С той стороны болты закручивайте там.
So we're in Kamchatka. This is now our 5th day. Started off good, 2 good days of jumping and then 2 days watching the weather. We finally now got our helicopter. and we finally got the doors off. So this is something we didn't do before. We're jumping from the back of the helicopter rather than the side. And the thing we're going for is to jump out the back, fly towards the crater, and Valera will be the first person in the world, we hope, to open his parachute over the crater and then land inside. And that's never been done before. There's probably a very good reason it's never been done before, because it's obviously inherently dangerous. But Valera knows his stuff, and we've checked it out, so it's all good.
Fuck. No more words. We are second time here and nothing happened. All crater full of clouds. This between ice fall and it's very flat part.
Yeah,
so
huge part.
Yes. And the fly towards this direction. It was a very good jump. It was evening light, very spectacular view, and James played around me a little bit, so it was very exciting. The weather is very nice today. Blue skies, almost no wind, and hopefully we will be able to do what we wanted to do. I mean the jump inside the crater.
We've got to go there, check out the crater and see what the steam conditions are like. The amount of volcanic activity may sometimes mean there's a lot more steam, which will make it more difficult for us to land in the crater.
We're in Mutnovsky Volcano. It's place called name Cross.
It's looking actually better than it was about 20 minutes ago.
We are now in Mutnovsky Volcano. Actually, that is the northwest part of this crater. Really active volcano, as you can see, lots of steams.
The turbulence, yeah.
So I fly it and open.
Drop inside. It was very cool.
Дальше, Валер, просто. Здесь вот тоже твердое, и вот дырки вот.
Счастье на несчастье помогло.
Держите веревку.
Very scary because a lot of walking holes with a hot gas going through, and it's almost impossible to breathe. It's smell like terrible, you know. I still a strong headache. I land exactly inside of this crater. It was done first time where